Okay, this is my game. Um, okay. Action. So I have an options menu where I can toggle off the sound effects and music. I can also change the volume. Let me set it lower. I can also change the screen size to full screen or window. And then we have the gameplay. Okay. I can shoot in any direction, basically. The zombies, they will attack whoever is closest, me or the outpost. Once they are killed, they'll drop either a heart or a coin. And once you kill all the zombies from that specific wave, the counter begins, and once the counter reaches 0, the next wave is spawned. The zombies also can inflict damage to the fence and the outpost, so they will eventually destroy it and attack the outpost. What else? Waves, zombie waves double in size. Sometimes the zombies get stuck on the trees, so if the next wave does not begin, it's because there's probably one zombie stuck in one tree. There's a heart right here. Oh, I can also switch ammo. every 3 waves there's gonna be a new ammo that you can switch to if you want to, and they are more they inflict more damage than the previous ones, or they have a special thing. Let me use what I okay, well, yeah. I also have a compass that tells you like where to go when the outpost is out of screen, because sometimes it's really hard to find the outpost once you get too far. Okay. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it.